All right, welcome. In this lesson, we're gonna uh, populate the Py file. I mean, the main.py file. We already have it, and so we're gonna write a Python code in there that will connect with the UI code. Okay, so let's start writing our import statements. We're gonna need the sys, so let's import the sys, and then import our PyQt 5. We're still using PyQt 5. PyQt 6, there's some things that are not yet ready. All right, so yes. And also at the point of recording, we're waiting for PyQt 6.1, which wasn't ready. And there's some things that are not yet ready. All right, so let's import these ones. So we are starting our app using the QGUI application, which we imported from PyQt Qt GUI. And we are passing the sys.argument values, any argument values that came with it, we're passing it to it. And we're creating an engine, which is actually the UI layer. And then we are loading our QML code, which is we've spent time creating, which is in the UI slash main.qml. You can see we have it over there. And now when the user clicks the close button inside the UI, we want the app itself to create, because then we have the backend, the UI layer, and then the QGUI, which acts as the parent of the UI layer. Now we could have started our app using app.execute like this, no underscores, and then later we exit our entire Python system, and when like that. But and then we have to pass in the exit code, but then we are passing in this app.execute, so that we're running it inside the system.exit. When it exits, it passes the exit code to the system.exit. So let's just start off with our terminal or command prompt, whatever you have on your operating system. We're going to use that to run the file using Python, because now it's a Python app. So changing to directory to where you have your sign in. In Windows, you might have to also type the drive later. Now you're gonna have to do Python main.py is the file name. Now we've changed directory, so we have access to main.py. Sorry. Okay, so when it runs, it takes some time. Okay, so we're gonna essentially run this main.qml, which we have, which we spent time creating. It's gonna take some time, but essentially it's gonna load the UI and also the QGUI, which is the parent of the UI. It's actually the parent of everything that we're doing now. All right, there you have it. You can see we have our UI, the same UI we've been building. And if you click the sign in, you get pushed to the welcome page. So that'll be all for this lesson. Thank you. See you in the next one.